Hi friends, I am Muhammad Zubair Khan Lodi and you are watching Topic Factory English YouTube channel. The topic of today's videos is tap. So in this video I am gonna tell you that how to download it and also how to use it. So without any discussion, let's start the video. First of all, we will open the browser of our mobile. I am using Chrome. You can use any browser you want. Now we will search here for tap. After searching, we will click on this link which I have highlighted now. After clicking on it, this type of interface will come in the front of you. Look, you can also scroll down to look about this app. We will click on this Android icon and you can see the downloading has been started, and you can see it is only 37.58 MBs in size. After downloading it, simply install, and now we will open the installed application. This type of interface will come in the front of you. You can see there are all types of apps and games which you need and which are not could be banned in your country are available here. For example, we will open one of these. For example, we will select this one. Simply click on it. It will take some time to load, depends on your internet connection. And look, you can see the size of file downloads, and if you scroll down there will be an icon here. You can see the Play Store. This icon will be only visible if this game is also available on Play Store. You will click on it and the game will open in the Play Store if it is available. And I am showing this screenshot to tell you that you can see it says that this app is not available in your country, but there is also option available play. It means it is already installed. Now how this happened? Because I downloaded it from tap, and when it was also available on Play Store but banned in my country. I don't know why they use, but it is banned in my country, blocked so you can use tap for these reasons to download the application which are not available in your country. And we need to log in to Play Store with our Google account to download, but in tap you don't need to log in to download any file or app or anything. You may have to only sign in to save details and follow pages, like, post, do comments. That's all. So subscribe to my channel if you are new, and also share this video, and don't forget to give the big thumbs up. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, guys.